Hey guys, it's Scarlet Slimes. Welcome back to our channel. Our mission is to make every Scarlet Slimes customer satisfied. This is our Marshmallow Slime. It's a really nice, fluffy slime, and you can get it in 3 different sizes: small, medium, or large. Go check out our first video if you're interested in buying. The small is $4. The medium is $6, and the large is $8. This slime is so nice, and it's one of my favorites. I hope you buy it. Thanks for watching. Bye.